Ever forget what weight you lifted last week or how many sets you did? We've all been there. If you're serious about making progress in the gym, tracking your workouts is non-negotiable. So today, I'm going to show you the best workout tracker app I've used. It's called PumpPal, and it makes logging workouts fast, simple, and actually motivating. Here's the issue. Most people either write workouts in their phone notes or try to remember everything, but that doesn't work. You lose track, repeat weights, and have no real record of your progress. That's where a workout tracker changes everything. It keeps you consistent, accountable, and motivated by showing exactly how far you've come. Let me show you how PumpPal works. When you open the app, you can add your workout in seconds. Choose your exercises, log your sets and reps, and hit save. It's that simple. You can create custom workout plans or use the built-in templates if you're new to the gym. After each session, PumpPal shows you a full summary, total weight lifted, number of sets completed, and your weekly streak. It even tracks your progress photos and body measurements so you can visually see your transformation over time. Not just numbers. You can filter by week or month and instantly see your consistency grow. Here's the truth. Motivation fades, but progress keeps you going. When you see your streaks, totals, and progress photos improve, it gives you a reason to keep showing up. That's why I've stuck with PumpPal. It makes tracking easy enough that you actually do it. If you're ready to stop guessing and start tracking your progress, download PumpPal free. Links in the description. It works for beginners, lifters, or anyone who just wants to stay consistent and see real results. I'll drop the link below. Go check it out and start logging your next workout today.